Hello everyone, today I'm going to make super garlicky chicken wings. For this recipe, I need 14 wings, it's about 311 grams. When you clean the wings, try to squeeze out blood, and then soak them in water to reduce more blood. Afterward, throw the water. Add flour and mix the well. Add water to clean the flour off. Wash twice under water. Now our wings are totally clean. Dry the wings with kitchen towel. Time for seasoning. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder. You also need 2 cloves garlic, grind them to paste. And then add the garlic paste as well. Mix this well for 1 minute. And then set it in fridge for 1 hour. Take another 7 cloves garlic, finely chop them. Wash it once with water and then drain it. Cut 3 chili. If you don't like spicy, you can skip it. Prepare 300 gram oil. Use a narrow and deep pot. Add the garlic in cold oil and give a quick stir. Cook the garlic with low heat. Turn off the fire when the garlic is floating and then drain it. Keep it aside and we'll use for later. Now you got both fried garlic and garlic oil. Now let's add the flour coat to the wings. Cover it with flour. Shake off the extra flour. Use medium-low fire to heat the garlic oil. Fry the wings in the oil with a temp about 170 C. Do not move the wings right after you put them in oil. When the skin is firm, then you can flip them. Fry them till golden brown. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon garlic oil. Add chili. Stir-fry the chili until you can smell the chili's aroma. Add fried garlic. Continue stirring it for 15 seconds. Add fried wings. Cook for 30 seconds. At the end, add white sesame. Coat the wings with sesame. Let me try it. Crispy on the outside and soft from the inside. In every step we use garlic for this dish, therefore it's super garlicky. Very surprising taste. If you like this recipe and my channel, please give a thumb up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.